Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I'll be showing you how to assign into Brave browser. So guys, to sign into Brave browser, there is no direct feature of that, although you could change different profiles here on the profile at the top right corner, and you could add a Brave profile. But to really signing in into Brave typically means syncing your account. So to do that, select the three lines on the top right corner, and you could just simply go ahead and go for the settings over here down below the gear icon. And now over here guys, you could just simply go ahead and go for the sync category over here. And now you will have an option start using sync. And now from here, if you already have a code, you just simply select I have a code in order for you to sign into your Brave browser. And of course, select I have a code, and pretty much you could just simply provide your code that you have into other devices. So you can see the code on the same settings as well. They will have a sync even if you're using an Android. And if you are new, you just simply select start a new sync chain, and you will have an option which device type would you like to sync to, and select go ahead and go for the phone. And you could actually go scan this QR in order for you to sign in into your old account and to sync the data that you currently have by going to the settings into your phone. And you will have the same process as well to view the sync code over here. So pretty much this is a simple way to sign in into your Brave. And as you can see, when you have it synced, you should be able to have here multiple options to sync the data and filter it out as well. Or you could just simply sync everything over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.